Discover the finest automatic watches that dominated 2026. From affordable masterpieces to luxury icons, these 10 timepieces represent the pinnacle of horological excellence. Each watch earned its place through superior craftsmanship, innovative technology, and timeless design. Let's explore what makes them extraordinary. Number 10. Seiko Presage Cocktail Time SRPB 43. The Seiko Presage Cocktail Time SRPB 43 opens our list with stunning visual appeal and exceptional value. This Japanese masterpiece features a mesmerizing sunburst blue dial inspired by classic cocktails, creating depth and character that rivals watches costing 3 times more. The 40.5mm stainless steel case wears comfortably on any wrist, while the domed hardlex crystal adds vintage charm. Powered by the reliable Seiko 4R35 automatic movement with 41-hour power reserve, it delivers consistent accuracy for daily wear. The exhibition caseback reveals the beautifully finished movement, showcasing Seiko's dedication to detail. Cathedral-style hands and applied indices enhance legibility while maintaining elegance. Water-resistant to 50 meters and paired with a genuine leather strap, this watch transitions effortlessly from office to evening events. The Cocktail Time proves luxury aesthetics don't require luxury prices, making automatic watch ownership accessible to enthusiasts starting their collection. It's a testament to Seiko's ability to democratize fine watchmaking without compromising quality or style. Number 9. Orient Bambino Automatic Date 42mm. Orient's Bambino Automatic Date 42mm represents unbeatable value in the entry-level automatic segment. This elegant dress watch features a clean, sophisticated dial available in multiple colorways, each emphasizing classic design principles. The 42mm stainless steel case provides modern proportions while maintaining dressy refinement. Powered by Orient's in-house F6N22 automatic movement, it offers hand-winding and hacking capabilities rarely found at this price point. The 40-hour power reserve ensures reliable performance throughout your workweek. Domed mineral crystal creates a vintage aesthetic reminiscent of watches from watchmaking's golden era. The date window integrates seamlessly at 3 o'clock without disrupting visual balance. Slim profile and moderate lug-to-lug distance make it incredibly versatile for various wrist sizes. Water resistance of 30 meters protects against daily splashes. The leather strap adds sophistication and comfort for all-day wear. Orient's commitment to in-house movements at accessible prices makes the Bambino exceptional for budget-conscious collectors seeking genuine horological value without quartz compromises. Number 8. Hamilton Khaki Field Automatic 40mm. Hamilton's Khaki Field Automatic 40mm perfectly balances military heritage with contemporary wearability. This Swiss-made timepiece honors Hamilton's storied history of military watch production while incorporating modern refinements. The 40mm stainless steel case offers ideal proportions for diverse wrist sizes and wearing occasions. Powered by the robust H10 automatic movement with 80-hour power reserve, it provides exceptional longevity between wearings. The matte black dial with Arabic numerals ensures outstanding legibility in any lighting condition, staying true to field watch principles. Luminous hands and markers provide nighttime visibility essential for tool watch functionality. Day-date complication adds practical utility for everyday wear. Sapphire crystal protects against scratches while maintaining clarity. 100-meter water resistance makes it suitable for various activities beyond desk duty. The canvas or leather strap options enhance its rugged yet refined character. Hamilton's Swiss quality at attainable prices makes this field watch a collection staple, bridging the gap between affordable and premium automatic watches with authentic military watch DNA. Number 7. Tissot Gentleman Powermatic 80 Silicium. The Tissot Gentleman Powermatic 80 Silicium elevates Swiss watchmaking accessibility with cutting-edge technology. This 40mm stainless steel timepiece combines contemporary design with serious technical specifications. The Powermatic 80 automatic movement, featuring silicon balanced spring, delivers 80-hour power reserve and superior anti-magnetic properties, addressing modern challenges faced by mechanical watches. COSC chronometer certification guarantees exceptional accuracy, meeting stringent Swiss standards typically reserved for luxury watches. The elegant dial with applied indices creates refined sophistication suitable for professional settings. Sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating ensures perfect legibility from any angle. Day-date display adds practical functionality without cluttering the clean aesthetic. 100-meter water resistance provides peace of mind for daily activities. The bracelet features butterfly clasp with micro-adjustment for perfect fit. Tissot's membership in the Swatch Group ensures access to cutting-edge materials and movements at competitive prices. The gentleman proves that advanced horology doesn't require extreme investment, making certified chronometer performance attainable for discerning collectors who demand precision. Number 6. Tudor Black Bay 58 39mm. Tudor's Black Bay 58 39mm reimagines vintage dive watch aesthetics with modern manufacturing excellence. This smaller-sized iteration of Tudor's iconic dive watch collection appeals to enthusiasts seeking wearable proportions without sacrificing capability. The 39mm stainless steel case with 200-meter water resistance honors Tudor's diving heritage while fitting comfortably under shirt cuffs. Powered by the manufacturer Caliber MT5402 with 70-hour power reserve, it delivers chronometer-certified precision with silicon balance spring and variable inertia balance wheel. The gilt-style dial details and snowflake hands create distinctive vintage character that differentiates Tudor from competitors. Domed sapphire crystal enhances the retro aesthetic while providing modern scratch resistance. Bidirectional bezel with 60-click action allows elapsed time tracking for diving or daily tasks. Available with fabric strap or riveted bracelet, paying homage to historical Tudor diving watches. This watch demonstrates Tudor's philosophy of accessible luxury, offering Rolex-adjacent quality at significantly lower investment. The Black Bay 58 has become modern classic, proving perfect sizing and vintage-inspired design resonate with contemporary collectors. Number 5. Omega Seamaster Diver 300 Mo Coaxial 41mm. Omega's Seamaster Diver 300mm coaxial 41mm represents the pinnacle of luxury dive watch engineering. This iconic timepiece combines James Bond glamour with genuine professional diving capability. The 41mm stainless steel case houses Omega's revolutionary coaxial escapement, reducing friction and maintaining accuracy longer between services. Master Chronometer certification ensures it meets the industry's most stringent testing standards, including 15,000 Gauss anti-magnetic performance. The wave pattern dial creates mesmerizing depth while maintaining exceptional legibility with broad arrow hands and applied indices. Ceramic bezel insert with liquid metal diving scale prevents fading and scratching. Helium escape valve enables professional saturation diving use. 300-meter water resistance backs up its professional credentials. Sapphire crystal caseback displays the beautifully finished movement. The bracelet features diving extension for wetsuit compatibility. Available in numerous dial colors and material combinations, there's a Seamaster for every taste. This watch proves Omega's commitment to innovation while honoring its aquatic legacy, making it the choice for collectors wanting proven performance with luxury prestige. Number 4. Grand Seiko Snowflake SBGA 211. The Grand Seiko Snowflake SBGA 211 showcases Japanese watchmaking artistry at its absolute finest. This 41mm titanium masterpiece features the unique spring drive movement, combining mechanical watchmaking tradition with electronic precision. The textured dial recreates snow-covered mountains near Grand Seiko's studio, demonstrating Zaratsu polishing techniques that create mirror-like surfaces. Spring drive. Caliber 9R65 offers 1 second per day accuracy while maintaining the sweeping hand motion mechanical watch enthusiasts cherish. 72-hour power reserve ensures reliability throughout long weekends. Titanium construction makes it remarkably lightweight while maintaining rigidity and scratch resistance superior to stainless steel. Sapphire crystal front and back showcase finishing quality rivaling Swiss manufacturers at higher price points. 100-meter water resistance provides adequate protection for luxury timepiece. The date window integrates perfectly without disrupting the serene dial design. This watch represents Grand Seiko's philosophy of practical perfection, where cutting-edge technology meets traditional craftsmanship. The Snowflake has achieved cult status among collectors who appreciate understated excellence and Japanese attention to detail that reveals itself through extended ownership. Number 3. Longines Spirit Zulu Time GMT. Longines Spirit Zulu Time GMT revives the brand's aviation heritage with contemporary functionality. This 42mm stainless steel pilot's watch features true GMT complication for travelers, tracking multiple time zones simultaneously. The L844.4 automatic movement based on ETA architecture provides 72-hour power reserve with silicon balance spring for enhanced anti-magnetic properties and accuracy. The graduated rotating bezel allows third time zone reading, adding versatility beyond standard GMT watches. Sunray finish dial with applied Arabic numerals ensures excellent legibility following aviation instrument design principles. Oversized crown facilitates operation while wearing gloves, honoring practical pilot watch requirements. Superluminova on hands and markers provides outstanding nighttime visibility. 100-meter water resistance protects against elements during aviation activities. Sapphire crystals front and back showcase quality finishing. The vintage-inspired leather strap with rivets or steel bracelet options suit different preferences. Longines demonstrates that heritage brands can produce relevant modern timepieces without abandoning their roots. The Spirit Zulu Time offers serious complications at accessible luxury pricing, making complex watchmaking available to broader audiences. Number 2, Omega Speedmaster Professional Moonwatch 42mm. The Omega Speedmaster Professional Moonwatch 42mm remains the only watch qualified for NASA spacewalks, making it genuine spaceflight equipment. This 42mm stainless steel chronograph carries unmatched historical significance as the first watch worn on the moon during Apollo 11 mission. Powered by the legendary hand-wound caliber 1861 movement descended from the original moon mission watches, it provides direct connection to space exploration history. The Hesalite crystal maintains period-correct authenticity preferred by purists, while sapphire-equipped versions offer modern scratch resistance. Black dial with white hands ensures perfect legibility in extreme conditions. Tachymeter bezel allows speed calculations based on elapsed time. 3 subdials track chronograph functions with precision. 50-meter water resistance suffices for a professional instrument not primarily designed for diving. The asymmetrical case protects chronograph pushers during extravehicular activities. NASA qualification testing subjected it to extreme temperatures, vibration, and vacuum conditions. This chronograph transcends mere watch collecting, representing humanity's greatest achievement while remaining affordable within luxury watch segment. The Speedmaster proves that historical significance and functional excellence create timeless appeal. Number 1, Rolex Submariner Date 41mm Oyster Steel. The Rolex Submariner Date 41mm Oyster Steel claims first position as the most desirable automatic watch available today. This updated classic maintains everything that made the Submariner legendary while incorporating modern refinements. The 41mm Oyster Steel case houses the caliber 3235 automatic movement with 70-hour power reserve and chronergy escapement for enhanced efficiency. Superlative chronometer certification guarantees accuracy within -2 + 2 seconds daily, exceeding Koski standards. Cerachrom ceramic bezel insert prevents fading and scratching while maintaining luminous pearl for low-light reference. The iconic dial design with Mercedes hands and maxi markers ensures instant recognition and perfect legibility. Cyclops lens magnifies date for easy reading. 300-meter water resistance and triplock crown system guarantee professional dive watch capability. Glide lock extension system allows bracelet adjustment without tools for wetsuit compatibility. Oyster bracelet exemplifies Rolex manufacturing excellence with solid links and brushed polished finishing. This timepiece represents ultimate luxury sports watch, combining unmatched brand prestige with proven reliability and timeless design. The Submariner remains the standard against which all dive watches are measured. These 10 automatic watches represent 2026's finest achievements in mechanical watchmaking. Whether you're starting your collection or adding to it, each timepiece offers unique value from accessible entry points to ultimate luxury. These aren't just watches, they're investments in craftsmanship and heritage.